Hello and welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's video, I will be showing you an easy eggless vanilla cupcake recipe. And for this recipe, you will need 2¼ cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1⅓ cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of butter, 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 8 tablespoons of applesauce. Non-flavored yogurt also works as well. So what we're first going to do is mix our dry ingredients together. My dry ingredients are already sifted, so I'm just going to pour them in. Now using a whisk, I'm going to mix this mixture all up together. Now that I have that all mixed, I'm going to mix all my wet ingredients together. I'm first going to mix it all into this bowl here. I'm going to add my milk. I'm going to add my butter next. My applesauce. And using the whisk I used for my dry ingredients, I'm going to mix my wet ingredients as well. And I'm going to add my vanilla once I have all of this mixed. Now that I have a pretty good mix, I'm going to add my vanilla. Give that a quick mix. Now that I have this all mixed, I'm going to add it into my dry mixture. And now I'm going to give this mixture a good whisk. Now I'm going to line my muffin tins, and while you do this, you should preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Now that I have my cupcake tray all lined, I'm going to get a spoon. You could use any spoon you have on hand, and I'm going to pour my batter into my muffin tray. If you want a dome, I would recommend keeping it 2/3 full. You're now going to bake these in the oven for 350 degrees for approximately 30 to 35 minutes. I like to bake it on the top rack, and then near the last 10 minutes of it being baked, I like to put it at the bottom rack. My cupcakes were in the oven for exactly 34 minutes, and they are perfectly ready. I can show you using a toothpick. All you have to do is insert a toothpick in the middle, pull out, and it comes nice and clean. That means your cupcakes are ready, and now what you're going to do is let them cool off for 10 minutes before taking a bite. If you're not interested in decorating your cupcakes, but you do want to jazz it up with a little bit of more sweetness or more moistness, what you can do is add some simple syrup. And I've left a link in the description box as well as on the top of your screen on how you can make your own simple syrup. I thought I should cut one open just to show you what it looks on the inside. And look at that, it's just so beautiful, so fluffy and moist. It's really squishy and fluffy. If you did like this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye.